Everyone, in our previous lessons, we have learned that tractors are important tools in agricultural production, and the normal operation of their electrical equipment is crucial for ensuring agricultural production efficiency. However, due to harsh working environments or improper use among other reasons, tractor electrical systems often experience various faults, severely affecting production work. Mastering common fault diagnosis and troubleshooting methods for tractor electrical equipment is particularly important for better maintenance and use of tractors. This topic will now be introduced. This lecture will cover the following aspects. 1. Common types and causes of faults in tractor electrical equipment. 2. Common diagnostic methods for faults in tractor electrical equipment. 3. Diagnosis and troubleshooting of common faults in tractor electrical equipment. 4. Preventive measures to reduce electrical equipment faults. First, let's review the overview of the tractor electrical system. The tractor electrical system mainly includes the power system, starting system, lighting system, signaling system, instrumentation system, and more. These systems are interconnected, jointly ensuring the normal operation of the tractor. Power system, primarily composed of the generator, battery, regulator, etc., it is responsible for providing a stable direct current power supply for the tractor. Starting system, composed of the starter motor, starter relay, starter switch, etc., it is responsible for starting the engine. Lighting system, composed of headlights, tail lights, turn signals, brake lights, etc., it is responsible for providing illumination and signals at night or in poor weather conditions. Signaling system, composed of the horn, turn signal indicators, etc., it is responsible for providing audible and visual signals. Instrumentation system, composed of the speedometer, tachometer, oil pressure gauge, temperature gauge, etc., it is responsible for displaying the working status of the tractor. Common types and causes of faults in tractor electrical systems. 1. Power system faults. Faults in the power system primarily manifest as the generator not producing electricity, battery discharge, etc. The main causes include battery faults. Common causes include battery aging, insufficient or leaking electrolyte, loose battery terminals, etc. Generator faults. Common causes include a loose or broken generator belt, internal generator faults, etc. 2. Starting system faults. Faults in the starting system primarily manifest as the starter motor failing to turn, the starter relay not functioning, etc. The causes of faults include internal starter faults, damaged solenoid switches, starting circuit faults, etc. 3. Lighting system faults. Faults in the lighting system primarily manifest as lights not illuminating, dim lighting, etc. Common causes include bulb damage, wiring faults, switch faults, etc. 4. Signaling system faults. Faults in the signaling system primarily manifest as the horn not sounding, turn signal indicators not illuminating, etc. Common causes include bulb damage, wiring faults, switch faults, etc. 5. Instrumentation system faults. Faults in the instrumentation system primarily manifest as inaccurate instrument displays, no instrument display, etc. Common causes include bulb damage, wiring faults, switch faults, etc. Next, let's understand the methods for diagnosing common faults in tractor electrical equipment. 1. Visual inspection method. Preliminarily determine the cause of the fault by directly observing the appearance of the electrical equipment, wiring connections, etc. 2. Test light method. Use a test light to check if there is electricity in the circuit and to detect any open or short circuits. 3. Voltage test method. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage values in the circuit to assess the working condition of the electrical equipment. 4. Resistance test method. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance values in the circuit to determine if there are any faults. Troubleshooting methods for common faults in tractor electrical equipment. 1. Battery fault troubleshooting. Address battery faults by replacing aged batteries, replenishing electrolytes, cleaning and tightening battery terminals, etc. 2. Generator fault troubleshooting. Address generator faults by adjusting or replacing the generator belt, repairing or replacing internal generator components, etc. 3. Starter fault troubleshooting. Address starter faults by replacing internal starter components, replacing the solenoid switch, checking the starting circuit, etc. 4. Lighting system fault troubleshooting. Replace damaged bulbs, repair wiring faults, replace switches, etc. 5. Instrumentation system faults. Repair wiring faults, replace switches, fuses, etc. 4. Preventive measures to reduce electrical equipment faults. 1. Regular inspections. Carry out regular inspections of electrical equipment, including batteries, generators, starters, ignition systems, and lighting systems, to promptly identify and address potential faults. 2. Proper use. Use electrical equipment correctly according to the requirements of the tractor's operating manual, avoiding damage caused by overuse or improper use. 3. Environmental protection. In harsh working environments, provide additional protection for electrical equipment, such as installing protective covers and waterproof and dust-proof measures. 4. Maintenance. Regularly perform maintenance on electrical equipment, including cleaning, tightening wiring connections, and replacing worn parts, to ensure the equipment is in good working condition. In this lesson, we have preliminarily understood the common faults and causes of tractors, mastered fault diagnosis methods and troubleshooting methods, as well as preventive measures that should be taken, enabling us to better maintain and use tractor electrical equipment and improve agricultural production efficiency. Lastly, please consider the following question. What impact would long-term exposure to harsh working conditions or improper use have on the electrical equipment of a tractor? This concludes our lesson for today. Goodbye, everyone.